Hello, I'm here to tell you about the ASICS Gel CUMULUS 22. This running shoe is a recommended choice for the neutral runners that want a soft, flexible, everyday trainer with a great fit. What you will find is this shoe features a one-piece upper mesh that's combined with a seamless 3D print construction, which balances support and comfort around the foot, giving you an excellent fit right out of the box. The FlyteFoam technology midsole is softer than the previous version to promote a pillowy ride. Under heel, where the foot first hits the ground, has been redesigned to better isolate impact. This new heel design has deeper forefoot flex grooves and a softer midsole foam to give you a soft ride. A hard rubber outsole compound has been placed in key contact areas to help this shoe stand up to a ton of miles. Get your pair of ASICS Gel CUMULUS 22. Have a great day.